Social media moves at the speed of an algorithm, but science moves at the speed of peer review. This show relies strictly on published research to determine which fitness strategies actually hold up under scrutiny. For most everyday athletes, the sheer volume of generic advice is overwhelming. Every scroll through a feed brings a new set of shouts about strict diets, massive supplement stacks, or extreme recovery protocols. Today, we are passing 5 viral fitness trends through a microscope. We will look at the clinical data to see who these methods actually serve and extract one concrete action step for each. Treating a unique human body like a generic, mass-produced machine is a fast way to stall your progress. Nutrition science has shifted. According to a 2025 review by the Gatorade Sports Science Institute, we are moving past basic macronutrient counting toward using AI and genetics to adjust the molecular dials of an individual's metabolism. However, most of these molecular dials were calibrated using only half the population. Between 0 and 8% of exercise nutrition studies involve female-only participants, leaving a massive data gap in how women respond to specific protocols. Instead of mirroring the diet of an elite athlete you follow online, try changing a single variable this week, like your protein timing, and track your own energy levels to see how your body responds. Because individual biology varies so significantly, adhering to a one-size-fits-all celebrity diet plan is often counterproductive to your specific goals. Your gut microbiome is an internal soil ecosystem that regulates everything from energy production to immunity. A 2025 Frontiers scoping review notes that in elite athletes, the health of this environment is a primary driver of how well the body manages the stress of training. To support this system, you need 2 things: prebiotics, which act as the fertilizer, and probiotics, the seeds. As these bacteria break down fiber, they create postbiotics, metabolic byproducts the body uses to reduce inflammation and speed up repair. Adding just one fermented food to your daily diet provides the foundational tools this ecosystem needs to handle the inflammatory load of a hard workout. Zone 2 training is cardio performed at a conversational pace. Its primary function is to build mitochondria, your cellular power plants, and improve your body's efficiency at burning fat for fuel. A clinical trial at the Chinese University of Hong Kong is currently testing whether combining this low-intensity work with NR supplements can further increase cellular energy and delay fatigue. Try swapping one grueling, breathless session this week for a workout where you can comfortably speak in full sentences the entire time. Lower-intensity, consistent stress often triggers better long-term cellular adaptation than the cycle of high-intensity burnout. Sleep serves as the biological save button for the work you do in the gym. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones to repair muscle fibers and fortify the skeletal system. A 2026 study on university soccer players found that strict sleep hygiene interventions directly improved aerobic capacity and significantly lowered anticipatory cortisol levels. To help trigger this repair sequence tonight, drop your bedroom temperature to 65 degrees. The cooling signals to your brain that it is time to transition into a restorative state. Your body uses the quiet of sleep to solidify the physical adaptations you worked for during the day. While cold plunges are excellent for reducing perceived soreness, timing is everything. Plunging immediately after a lift can blunt the protein synthesis required to build new muscle. There are also stark physiological differences in how we respond to the ice. Men experience a larger adrenaline spike, while women cool significantly faster, reaching thermoregulatory limits much sooner. This chart shows how much faster women lose core heat compared to men. Because the majority of current cold immersion guidelines are based on male-only studies, they are often inappropriate for female physiology. We are dedicating an entire upcoming episode to unpacking this specific data gap in female-focused sports science. If your priority is muscle growth, move your cold plunge to a rest day or use it only after endurance-based sessions. Applying a viral recovery trend without accounting for timing or your own biology can result in erasing the gains you made in the gym. This brings us to our sponsor, FitPay. FitPay helps translate raw metrics from your wearables into a daily plan that actually adapts to your specific biology. Maximizing your physical performance requires shifting focus toward your individual molecular dials and away from generic advice. You don't need to overhaul your entire life tonight. Just pick one concrete action we discussed today, whether it's adding a serving of sauerkraut or delaying your next cold plunge.
Small, biologically respectful changes allow your body to do the rest.